Hello friends, in this session we will discuss a case study about leprosy. Let us first read the case. A 25-year-old male attended the dermatology OPD and complained of hypopigmented patches on limbs and few on the buttocks. On examination, the ulnar nerve was found to be tender and thickened. Skin biopsy and nasal secretion were negative for acid-fast bacilli. Lepromin test was positive. The condition was diagnosed as leprosy. Now, points to be noted here are: the patient had hypopigmented patches and the ulnar nerve was tender and thickened. So, skin was involved, nerves were involved, and then acid fast stain was performed for skin biopsy and nasal secretions, and it was negative, and the lepromin test was positive. So, in leprosy, in the tuberculoid leprosy, AFB are rarely demonstrable in the lesions, and the immunity is good. Immunity of the patient is good, and the lepromin test is positive. While in lepromatous leprosy, abundant bacilli can be demonstrated in the lesion, and the lepromin test is negative. So in this case, the features are hinting towards tuberculoid leprosy. So the first question: diagnose the type of leprosy patient is suffering from. So our diagnosis is the patient is suffering from tuberculoid type of leprosy. The second question is: describe the laboratory methods for diagnosis of the condition. Laboratory methods for diagnosis of leprosy are microscopy, which shows acid-fast bacilli in the skin and nasal smears. Skin biopsy can be taken, nerve biopsy can be taken. Then even PCR can be done to monitor the treatment, diagnose relapses, to determine the need for chemotherapy. So microscopy, biopsy and PCR, these tests can be performed for leprosy. We cannot do culture here because M. leprae is not possible to be grown in artificial culture media. Only experimental animals are there available for growing M. leprae. Then the third question is: discuss the antibiotic regimen for treatment of the condition. The antibiotic regime, multi-drug therapy is given in leprosy from 6 months to 2 years depending upon the type of case. When a single lesion is there, single skin lesion is there, then a single dose of rifampicin 600 mg, ofloxacin 400 mg and minocycline 100 mg is given. So for a single skin lesion, single dose is given in which rifampicin 600 mg, ofloxacin 400 mg and minocycline 100 mg are there. Then for paucibacillary leprosy, dapsone 100 mg daily and rifampicin 600 mg once a month is given for 6 months. For multibacillary leprosy, dapsone 100 mg daily and rifampicin 600 mg once a month, like in the paucibacillary one, plus clofazimine 300 mg once a month and 50 mg daily. These three are given for 1 year. So single skin lesion, paucibacillary lesion and multibacillary lesion, all the three have separate antibiotic regime. So the multibacillary leprosy has a treatment regime for 1 year in which rifampicin 600 mg, dapsone 100 mg daily, rifampicin 600 mg once a month, dapsone 100 mg daily and clofazimine 300 mg once a month and 50 mg daily are given for 1 year. Then the fourth question is: describe the vaccines available against the disease. So which vaccines are available for leprosy? So there are vaccines available for leprosy which are used for treatment as well as for prophylaxis, for both the purposes. In treatment, immunotherapy is given, and in immunotherapy, immunomodulatory drugs, the transfer factor, then acetylated M. leprae and delipidified cell components of M. leprae, they are used in immunotherapy. Besides, vaccines can be used for immunotherapy as well as for prophylaxis. Vaccines, some examples of vaccines for M. leprae are Mycobacterium avium intercellulary complex vaccine, Mycobacterium ICRC vaccine बोलते हैं उसको, then BCG vaccine, then Mycobacterium W vaccine, then BCG plus heat killed M. leprae, then Mycobacterium tufu vaccine, then Mycobacterium habana vaccine. These are various vaccines which have been tried and have shown good results for protection against leprosy. And in India, these two vaccines are used: Mycobacterium ICRC vaccine, that is Mycobacterium avium intercellulary complex vaccine, and Mycobacterium W vaccine. These two vaccines are used in India. So with this we end our case discussion of leprosy. Thank you.